Protect your furniture from cat claws with the Thicken Cat Scratch Furniture Protector. Measuring 165 by 15, this extra thick, clear protector offers full coverage for long sofas without multiple cuts. Its single-sided sticky design makes installation simple. Just peel and stick for immediate defense against scratches. Made from durable materials, it sticks firmly to sofas, chairs, tables, and more, conforming to flat or curved surfaces. The protector blends seamlessly with your decor and includes fixing accessories for extra reinforcement. If you want to save your furniture from damage, this easy-to-use protector is worth a look.